Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 118 of the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. Always a mouthful to say that, but thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time watching, as always, feel free to subscribe. Subscribing is always free. Like I say, it'd be great to have you join along. We also do live streams Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time to about 8:45. It'd be great to have you on. It's always a good discussion about our TFSAs, investing, some great conversation with the coffee crew. But without further ado, let's jump into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA app. As you can see, down just a smidge today. So considering how the market was doing today, pretty good. Let's just go through. We'll show how we're doing all time on the TFSA portfolio. Now, if you wanted to get a bit more in-depth into my portfolio, I do always share my buys and any sells and any dividends up on the community tab for channel members. So you can always join the channel and do that. But obviously, memberships are completely optional. Let's go through. We'll show how we're doing. BAM, Brookfield Asset Management, 2.376 shares. We are down 1.63%, $1.67, just under $1.68. Now for this one, this is part of that StreamYard challenge that we are doing, and it will be another regular deposit at the beginning of next month, April, which actually April 1st is the 2-year anniversary of the portfolio, which is pretty awesome. Time does certainly fly. BEP.UN up to 22 shares of this, down 8%, $76.43. BN1, just over 1.5 shares. Fractional purchase is down 12.49%. Not adding anything to this. This was part of the original StreamYard challenge, but then there was that spin-off into BAM, and have continued on with BAM purchases. Now, BTC.Y, 215 shares, down 4.69%, $39.37. Seen a bit of gain from Bitcoin recently, so that's nice. Plus the regular dividends will be coming through from that. CMC, that one we wiped off the board. And Div down 4.05%, $15.50 on our 125 shares. I do want to add a bit more to Div, just a matter of getting the deposits and savings in place to be able to do that, because I am continuing on just to do my weekly dollar cost average into my regular purchases. ETC down 46.67%, $649.55 on our 114 shares. That's the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. It does not pay a dividend on that one. Greenlane Renewables, this one's not doing that great right now. Down 68.61%, $880.65. PSA, just a small position right now in that cash position, just under one share, $49.67. TransAlta Renewables, 60 shares. We are down 29.37%, $298.11 on those shares of TransAlta Renewables. Getting a little bit worried of this one with that dividends. The dividends are holding up though, so we'll see how this one goes in the future. Slate Office REIT as well, kind of a bit iffy with the dividends on that one. We'll have to see. They haven't reduced the dividends on this yet, but 141 shares, down 31.88%, $221.03. TELUS just down a little bit, 2.34% on just over 25 shares, $16.60. Tesla doing okay, up 15.41% on 29 shares of Tesla. This is the Tesla CDR, and up $69.33, which is nice. And VDY, this is the Vanguard S&P. Sorry, not the Vanguard, it's the Canadian S&P High Dividend Yield ETF. Yeah, that's exactly right. Down 2.74% on our just over 84 shares, 84 and a half shares, and down $95.74 on that one. VFV, that's the S&P 500 Index ETF. There we go. Down 0.78%. This is nice, actually. It's nice to see that come back up a little bit. Been dollar cost averaging into this, so pretty good. Just down $28.80 on that. Yield Google, this is the purposed yield fund for Google, 20 shares, up 11.88%, $49.11. And Yield Tesla, last but not least, 45 shares of that, up 20.5%, $173.16. Now let's just scroll right to the top and we'll see how we're doing. So past day, it's Friday when I'm filming this. You might see these numbers change. The market is just kind of closed. Sometimes when we refresh this, the numbers kind of do fluctuate a little bit at the end of the day. Down 0.01% today, $2.11. Pretty happy with a flat day considering how the market's been doing lately. On the week though, we're up a little bit. There we go. In the past week, up 0.35%, $50.14. On the month, down 2.17%, $318.39. On 3 months, we're up. There we go, 6.31%, $853.96. Now we're going to see some red. Past year down 10.92%, $1,762.89, and all-time down 10.70%, $1,723.46 on the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. All right, well, now's the time. Let me know in the comments, did you buy anything this week? Did you sell anything this week? How are you feeling about the market? It's always interesting to hear what other people are thinking. It'd be great to have your comment down below. If you've made it this far as well and aren't subscribed, make sure you check out that subscribe button, hit it. If you aren't subscribed, like the video, all that good YouTube stuff. We'll be back. Next video on the channel will be a live stream on Monday. Great to have you join along. As a reminder, it starts at 8 o'clock Pacific time, 8 a.m. Pacific time. It'd be great to have you there. If not, you know what? Those replays are always on the channel. A lot of people view them, and hopefully you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend. It is Friday. Take care.